that is us. Hey, honey, why don't you put your lipstick on? Here you go. Ah! Here you go.
Thank you, sweetheart. Thank you. Oh no, it's falling. Let me put it on. Oh, yeah. I love lipstick. Isn't it beautiful? I love it so far. This tastes good.
Where is the thermometer?
Sweetie? Wasn't that lovely? Look at it.
Control your cat. I want a quesadilla.
Shut up! Shut up! Shut up! Oh,
No!
Yes, dear?
how are you today?
I am fine. There's something different about you. There's a girl in our house. Why is there a girl in our house? I don't know. But my fingers hurt. Oh wait, I have no fingers.
Oh, I know what's... Do you know anything that's different on me?
Well, your hair looks curlier.
No! Stop being so silly!
Well, your eyes look bluer.
No! My lipstick, you idiot! It's green! It's blue! Ah! There's a girl again! Oh wait, just kidding. She's not here anymore.
Well, what can we do today? Ah! There's a moo-moo, a cow in our house. Get out of here!
Oh no! My face is broken! My face is smushed!
My face is smushed. I'm not handsome anymore.
Oh no! Oh no! Hey, get out of here! Get out! Oh no! We're smashed! We're smushed people! Oh no! Oh no! My lipstick is messed up!
Oh, your lipstick. That looks different now, doesn't it?
And then